So dear students, welcome to my class. Electricity is waiting for you. Electricity chapter. Now, what is electricity? In previous classes, we discussed some important terms. Now, come to the point. What is electricity? The flow of electric charge in a direction. The flow of electric charge in a direction is called electricity. Okay, flow of electric charge in a direction is called electricity. Next, electric potential, an important term. Electric potential. If this is electric field, EF, if this is a electric field, then electric potential at a point is defined as work done to bring any positive charge, positive test charge from infinity to a particular point in the electric field. Electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as work done to bring any positive test charge from infinity to that particular point. Okay, its SI unit is volt. Okay, simple. Now next, potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Suppose we want to measure potential difference between this point and this point. So the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit, is the amount of work done to bring any charge from one point to another. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as the amount of work done to bring any positive charge from one point to another. Okay, the formula to find out potential difference between this point A to this point B is V is equal to W upon Q. We use this formula to calculate the potential difference between 2 points. So V is equal to W upon Q. Okay, the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Same, electric potential and potential difference have same SI unit, that is volt. If we measure work done in joule and Q, we measure charge in terms of coulomb, then 1 volt. If we measure potential difference in volt, work done in joule and charge in coulomb, then 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, 1 joule per coulomb. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, now again we use voltmeter. To measure potential difference between 2 points. If we want to measure potential difference between point A and point B, we use voltmeter between these 2 points. This is an instrument to find the potential difference between 2 points. Here is the voltmeter, an instrument to find the potential difference between 2 points. We connect voltmeter parallelly to the circuit. Okay, if this is a circuit, these are 2 points between, we want to find the potential difference, then we connect voltmeter parallelly. This type of connection is called parallel connection. We connect voltmeter parallelly to the circuit. But why? Why we do this? Because it takes negligible current. Through it. Okay. Now, a question always asked in the examination, similar type question. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb from a point at 118 volt to a point at 128 volt. Okay, here is the question. Now, what are the things we have? There are 2 points, 118 volt, a point at 118 volt, and a point at 128 volt. We have 2 points A and B. One point is 118 volt and the second point is 128 volt, and we have to move a charge of 2 coulomb. We have to move a charge of 2 coulomb from this point to that point. Okay, we have to move a charge of 2 coulomb from point A to point B. Then how much work is done? We have formula V is equal to W upon Q. Let's find out. V is equal to W upon Q. V means potential difference. Difference between 2 points. Difference 118, 128. Difference will be 128 minus 118. Okay, potential difference हो गया. V2 minus V1. Potential at point B minus potential at point A is equal to W. Work done, we have to find out. Then W upon Q, charge is 2 coulomb. We have 2 coulomb charge. Now 128 minus 118 means 10 is equal to W upon 2. Okay, now this is in division upon 2. When we solve it, so 2 goes to multiplication. Okay, work done will be 10 into 2. Okay, that means 20. We measure work done in joule. Then the answer is 20 joule. We have to do 20 joule of work to bring a charge of 2 coulomb from point A to point B. Here is the answer. Similar type of questions are asked in the examination. You have to practice these type of questions. Okay, follow the notes for more details. Okay, thank you.